everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious chicken strips. And these are washed with the cold water. Drain the water. Please make sure that pate dry so there is no more water in the chicken. And the ingredients I'm going to use: salt and pepper. We're going to use egg. If you don't like egg, then you can skip this part. And as for coating, we're going to use all-purpose flour. The first step will be break open the eggs. With the help of a whisk, we're going to beat it really well. Once the egg is nicely beaten, get all the chicken strips and give them good egg wash. Once they are nicely soaked into the egg wash, now take out the chicken strips and shake the extra egg and place it in the plate. I have 12 of these. You can use more or less. Once we're going to make these, they're going to be super delicious. We are done with the egg wash part. Now get another plate, and this is going to be our dry ingredient. This is all-purpose flour, which we call Maida. This is for the coating. Add salt according to your taste and black pepper. Mix it. Grab each chicken strip. Give a nice coating like this. And once it's nicely coated, put it back into the plate. Make sure that we're going to coat each chicken strips just like this. Place it into the flour and make sure that they are nicely coated, and that's it. Shake it and put it back into the plate. So as you've seen it, it's so easy, and I will finish up the same way. We almost done. One more to go. This is the last piece. So as you've seen, the first coating, we did it with salt and black pepper. And now we're going to add parsley flake. Mix it well. Once the parsley flake is nicely combined, now we're going to bring the egg back. This time we're going to do the egg wash. As soon as we're done with the egg wash, we're going to do the coating, and then we're going to put it into the fryer. Grab chicken strip, put it inside, turn it over, shake, then put it into the flour with the help of fork. Do the coating. This is all we need. Then we're going to grab it, shake it, and I have my fryer is ready. Open it. We're going to put the chicken strip just like this. I'm going to do the same thing. Grab another chicken strip, put it into egg wash, shake, use another fork, make sure that's coated, and then we're going to put it back into the fryer just like this. It's a good idea to do it double coating. Why I'm saying it, when you're going to eat the chicken strip, you're going to enjoy it. I put it 4 in there, and I'm going to put 2 more in there. So once it's nicely coated, shake excess flour and place it inside the oil. And we're going to keep cooking until these are fully cooked. So now we're going to deep fry. I'm going to put the cover on so it won't spray the oil out. For 3 minutes we are deep frying. I'll open it and I'll pull out the basket. Look at this. You don't want it to move around for the first 3 minutes. As you can see, it's a nicely coating. And we're going to move the chicken strips over just like this. As you see, they are not sticking at all. This is only one sticking a little bit, but we're going to move it. So now we're going to place it back, and we're going to cook it until it's fully cooked. As you see, when it's cooking, it has a lot of bubbling. The bubbling will be less when it will be fully cooked. Depending on your gas, or like I'm using electric fryer, it will take a longer or less. But within 5 to 6 minutes, our chicken strips will be ready. So it's altogether 5 minutes deep frying. 3 minutes I showed to you, and now another 2 minutes. And if we look at all the chicken strips, they are fully cooked. Hear it. You can hear they are really crispy. They are nicely done. But I'm going to do 1 more minute. So within 6 minutes, as I mentioned earlier, that depending on your stove, gas stove, burner, or your fryer, it can take longer. But within 6 minutes, our chicken strips are ready. And you see, they are all floating. So they are all done. So another minute, I'll pull these out, and we're going to make sure that all the oil is drained out. And I have a plate ready, and with a paper towel, we're going to place it in so it can soak up extra oil. And now I'll do the same thing, the same process, same steps. This will be the second coating. Place all the chicken strips into the egg wash. I'll do it 3 at a time and turn it over just like this. Grab it, put it into the all-purpose flour just like this. Shake up the extra egg, and we're going to do the same thing. One more. So this one is also ready, and I'll place these into the egg. I'll shake up the extra and place the chicken strip. So this is the last 3. When you do a double coating, then it will give you extra crispiness. So try it this way. If you never tried it, this is, as I mentioned, it's so easy and simple. You've seen it. It doesn't take that long. And now we are ready for the fryer. When you drop these chicken strip into the deep fryer, make sure don't drop it. You can get bony yourself, so be careful. To put the last one, and we're going to put the lid back on, and we're going to let it fry for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, then I'm going to move it, then I'll share with you. And as you can see, they are nicely crunchy chicken strips. Looking beautiful, perfect. The second batch is also ready. These are fully done. These are nicely done. If we put a fork inside, you will know if they are cooked or not. They are fully cooked. Very crunchy flavor, and we're going to put it into the plate. Look at this. Nice crunchy texture. Big chicken strips. And let me share with you. Our chicken strips, they are so easy to make and super delicious. They're all ready. Look at these. You can hear it. That's the crispiness. Wow, these are super delicious. And you can serve with mint chutney, and that is perfect. How to make a mint chutney? I did have a poster video on my channel. Please check it out. And let me show you. They are so juicy. Wow. And with the chutney, so delicious. As you've seen it, this is so easy and quick to make, and it's a super tasty and super delicious and very crispy. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.